Hello everyone. Welcome to a class of DaVinci Resolve tutorial for learning video editing. So if you're planning to learn video editing, then you are in the right place because in this class we will cover everything to get you started with DaVinci Resolve. So let's take a look what you learned from this class. Introduction to DaVinci Resolve, installing and creating a new project, understanding the workspace and importing the media files, editing the workspace, the source window, about the timeline, editing tools, the inspector panel, transition effects in DaVinci Resolve, video effects in DaVinci Resolve, editing the audio, creating titles and lower thirds, doing keyframe animation, color grading in DaVinci Resolve, and lastly, we'll see about exporting your file. After completing this class, you will be able to understand the interface, learn basic editing techniques, do color correction and color grading, do audio editing, learn about exporting and saving your file. And this is a project based class. So during learning, you will have class project. So what you learn, you will be able to participate in class project and you can do practice while you're learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you. So let's start learning DaVinci Resolve for video editing together.